Welcome to the part third part of the botany class, chapter 2. The Hi children, I here with you again the third section of the botany class. Hope all the fine at the home. I previous class introduced you about the asexual and sexual reproduction in plants, then reproduction in organisms and sexual reproductions, the offspring produced by the single parent without the involvement of gamete formations. Offspring are genetically identified to the parents. This under sexual reproductions, involvement of single or two individual production of male and female gamete haploid, gamete fusions or form diploid zygote, zygote development of the new organisms, then pre-fertilization event, and the process of gamete formation in the gametogenesis, and then sexual in organisms, and then fertilization fusion of the male and female gamete is called as fertilization, and then syngamy. The fertilization the phenomenon is called as parthenogenesis, and then zygote formation of the zygote after fertilization, universal sexual reproduction of the organisms. Zygote is formed usually in the water external from fertilization. Zygote is a formation of inside the body of the organisms and internal fertilization. A zygote of fungi and algae develop thick wall in the resistant and discussion of the damage. Okay, the embryogenesis, zygote, the development of zygote into the embryo is called as embryogenesis. Zygote undergoes cell divisions is called as differentiations. And then in plants, the zygote development in the embryo, ovule development into the seed, endowment of the ovule development into the seed coat, ovary development into the fruit, ovary wall development in the parthenocarp. Okay, this section is then classical genetics is a wonderful and then wonderful unit. The classical genetics. The classical genetics is a very uh, important one. Then wonderful chapter. The second chapter, the genetics, is very important learning objectives. First of all, the learning objective, different classical and model genetics of the modern genetics. Understand the concept of the principle of the inheritance. Okay, and the extension of the Mendelism, the polygenic interaction and polytropy, analyze the extra chromosomal inheritance and cytoplasmic organelles. The chapter outlined the second, the heredity and variation. 2.1 is heredity and variation. 2.2 Mendelism, and 2.3 law of Mendelian inheritance. 2.4 monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross and trihybrid cross, black cross and test cross. The interaction 2.5, the interaction of gene intragenic and intergenic incomplete dominance, lethal genes, epitasis. Okay, a 2.6 polygenic inheritance in wheat kernel color and pleotropy and pisum sativum, and 2.7 the extra chromosomal inheritance, cytoplasmic inheritance in the chloroplast. First of all, today I would like to recall and what is genetics. Genetics is a study of how living things receive the common trait. Okay, no field of science has changed the world more past 50 years than genetics. The scientific and the technological advance in the genetics have transferred the agriculture, medicine, and then forensic science. Okay, forensic science. Let me tell you about the genetics as a definitions. Genetics is a branch of biological science which deals with the mechanism of transmission of characters from parent to the offspring. Parent to the offspring. The term genetics was introduced by W. Batson in 1906. Genetics is a branch of biological science which deals with the mechanism of transmission, important transmission of the characters from the parent to the offspring. one generation to another generations, one generation to another generation. There are four major sub-disciplines of the genetics or transmission genetics or classical genetics. First of all, the transmission genetics and then classical genetics deal with the transmission of the genetics from the parent to the offspring, young one. The offspring means young one. The foundation of the classical genetics, they came from the study hereditary behavior. The 7 genes by the George Mendel. Second, the molecular genetics. The molecular genetics deals with the structure and functions of the gene at a molecular level. Third one, population genetics. Third one, deals with the heredity in the group of individual of the trial which is determined by the few genetics. Okay, third one. And the fourth one, quantity genetics. What is the quantity genetics? The deal with the heredity of trial of group of the individual where the trial or the ground by the many genetical stimulously. Once again, I tell you, stimulously, the quantity genetics deals with the heredity and trial of the group of individual where the trial ground them by a many genes stimulating. Okay, and the many genes stimulously. Okay, second one, what is heredity and then what is the variation? Here, genetic is often genetic is a often um, um, genetic is a often described as the science which deals with the heredity and then variation. This is a 2 mark question. What is heredity? What is variation? Heredity is a transmission of the characters from parent to the offspring. Parent to the offspring. What is the molecular genetics? It is a branch of the genetics which deals with the structure and functions of the gene at the molecular level. What is the genotype or phenotype? Genotype or phenotype? That genotype means the term genotype is a genetic construction of an individual. The type of the alleles in a single individual is called as genotype. The phenotype means the term phenotype refers to the observable characters of an organism, the physical expression of the individual gene. Single gene, okay, the physical observe the characters, only character only of an organisms. Then variations. The variation means the organism belong to the same natural population or species show the difference on the characteristics. They called as variations. Variations 2 types. One is called as discontinuous variation and then continuously variations. The continuously discontinuous variations, then continuously variations. These are 2 types of the discontinuous variations. First of all, the discontinuous variation. Within a population, there are some characters which show the limited from the variations. Okay. Then the characters are controlled by one or two major gene which many two more than alleles forms. Then individual produced by the variations show the difference without any intermediate from between the and then no overlapping between the two phenotypic. The phenotype expression in the unaffected by environmental conditions. Environmental conditions. Okay, this is also called as qualitative inheritance. Qualitative inheritance. Example: style, length, and primula, and the plant height and the garden PR. The continuous second one, the continuous variations. These variations may be due to the combining the effect of the environmental and genetic factors. Inheritance, the phenotypic is determined by the combined the effect of many genes, polygenes, one or more genes, and then environmental factors. In the population of the more characters, and then more characters from the many genes, then environmental factors. In the population, most of the characters exhibited the complete coordinations from the one external to the other without any break. The phenotypic expression is affected by environmental condition. This is also known the quantitative inheritance. Example: human height and skin color. First of the discontinued variation, what is the example? Style, length, and pyramid, and plant height of the garden pia. Here the continued variation, what? The human height and then skin color differ from the one to another. What is the importance of the um, variation? The importance of the variations. Variations make some individual better fitted in the struggle of expansion. And then second, the help of the individual to the themselves to the change of the environment. Change to the environment. It provides the genetic material from natural selection. So genetic material means DNA as a genetic material. In the natural selections, so the genetic variation, DNA variation to one plant to another plant, one to another. Okay, the variation allow the breeders to improve the better yield and the quick growth, increasing resistant and lesser input. The variation allow the breeder to improve better. Improved better means one to another the better leaves, better seeds, better than one to another. The yield is very good yield, better yield. Better yield means one to another better on the importance. Then quicker growth. One plant to another plant variations to growth. Growth one plant to another growth there. And then increase resistance of lesser than input. Then they consist of the raw material from the evaluations. These are all the importance of variations. Then mentalism. This is mentalism. This is a second one. Next, mentalism. The contribution of the mentalism genetics is called as mentalism. Mental to the genetics is called as mentalism. The contributions. Okay. In the included the concept both out of mental through the original research on the plant hybridization. Plant hybridization means plant breeding. The Mendelian genetics concept is the basic and modern genetics. Basic to the basically they are genetically formed. The modern genetics, the up future. Okay, modern. Therefore, the mental is called as father of genetics. The father of genetics, what one word? Father of genetics. One word questions. The father of genetics, George Johann Mendel, 1822 to 1884. The first genetics, George Johann Mendel, unraveled the mystery of the heredity. He was born in 2nd July 1822. Is a hence the Czechoslovakia in the Australia. After the school education, later he studied botany. He had the George Mendel study on the botany. University in the Vienna. He then entered the monastery of St. Thomas as born on Austria, and then continued his interested the plant hybridization. In 1849, the Mendel got the temporarily positioned school teacher as well as the teacher as the same like that Mendel is a teacher. Okay, and performed a serious enlarged experiment with the pea plants. The pea plants means and the Pisum sativum. The pea plants. Okay, then 1856 they started the historical study of pea plants. 1856 to 1863, when the period of Mendel hybridization experiment on pea plants, the Mendel discovered the principles and heredity of studying the inheritance, and the 7 pairs consist of the trial. The plant is the garden Mendel crossed the category of 24034. The plants do the generations. His paper entitled The Experiment on Plant Hybrids. This is the book paper. Name is Experiments on the Plant Hybrids. The one word. One word questions. This is a one word questions important. Present the published in the processing of the Bone Society and Natural History. 1860s, the Mendel was the first systematic research in the field of growth and the field of genetics. Mendel was success because what? One by one, I will tell you. He applied the mathematics and statistical method biologically law probability is breeding experiment. First of all, mathematically and statistically then calculated. The second one, the followed the scientific method and kept the accurate, please noted, accurate the detailed record and included the quantitative data from outcome of his crosses. So okay, his third one, his experiment were carefully planned. Third one is a carefully planned, and he used the large sample. One second, first trial, second trial, third trial, and fourth trial, and then large samples were collected, large samples were calculated, large samples were cultivated, and then experimented. Experiment. The pair was contained the characters which were controlled by factor gene were present the separate chromosomes. The parents selected by the mental were pure breed lines, pure breeding lines. The purity was tested by the self, the crossing progeny of many generations. Okay, is the mental pure breeding lines and the purity of the tested by the self crossing and okay. Mental experiment system, the Gordon PR. Mental experiment in the system in the Gordon PR. Or that. In the, it is a annual plant, 1 year plant. Annual means perennial, annual. The annual means year by year, the cultivator. Then annual plant and has clear consisting of characters that is controlled by single gene separately. Gene separately, one by one. Self-fertilization only occurred in the normal condition in the garden PR plants. And the mental used both self-fertilizations and then self-fertilization, self-fertilization and cross-fertilization. Two self-fertilization and then the flower are largely hints emulations and pollination are very easy from the hybridization. Very easy with the hybridization. The mental experiment system in the garden PR. This is an mental experiment in the mental experiment in the PR plants. Mental experiment in the PR plants. What now, as the particular theory established the existence of the minute particles and heredity units of the factor, which now called as gene. The performed artificial pollination or cross pollination. The experiment with the several true breeding lines of an true breeding lines PR plants, a true breeding lines pure breeding stains means he undergoes continuous self pollination have stable trial adherence from the parent to the offspring. Mating within pure breeding lines produce the offspring, young one, have the specific parental tribe consists of the inheritance experiments of many generations. The pure breeding refers to homogeneous only. Fusion of the male and female gametes produced by the same individual population of the egg are derived from the pollen form. Let us discuss the events of the details. The particular section of the pollen from the another variety, PR stigma flower from the anther are removed. Anther are removed. The pollen to the anther are pistil and the pure flower only. Okay. The F1 generations. First generation means F1 generation. Okay. The law formulated the new conception mental genetics. These are all the mental worked at the rules inheritance and the chromosome because available to the mental died with the 1884 in 900. The work of the mental experiments was rediscovered by the three biologists Hugo de Verres, Ala, and Karl Koras, Germany, Ek von Tismark in Austria. Okay, in Austria.